Okay, let's see. Oxidation. And it's coming off. That's dust, little particles. But see, it's coming off. Show you in just a minute. Because we're gonna make this bad boy look like it came from Sewell yesterday. Just look at that. Wait till you see it. It's the magic gonna happen right now. So even when you doing stuff like this, you're doing a, like I said, $300, $400, $500 detail and engine bay detail. You want to make sure when that customer gets that car back, they're going to be like, man, this is worth it. People do not pay attention to the engine, but you do have some people that, when I do stuff like this, I even get inside the wheel well. Wipe all the crud out of that. So you need a plastic wheel well. You're supposed to clean them, or you should clean them. It makes the whole appearance of your car look a whole lot nicer at the end of the day. Yeah. If you're using stuff like, if you're using the super clean, you gotta do it, man, within a few minutes, because it'll eat all the crap off your car. But I don't like sitting on paint too long and I hurry up and remove it. So, but it will take all the grease away from the car for sure. Good product, but you have to be careful with it. When you do it when it's cool, don't put it on a hot car. But you can see how they chrome. The chrome had all that oxidation on it. And it's typically, it'll stay there until you get it off or something. So I like using, I keep some with it, but you spread it on your wheel walls, or wells, that's what we call it. And it'll take the dirt off. You got pressure washer, and it keeps it clean. And then if you dress it with some ceramic dressing or something, it just makes it look that much better. But let me get started here. Get back with you guys. Here we are at the engine. And like I told you, a little bit of white, it goes a long way. And look at the end result.